Hi there, it's Suzanne from DiscoverChange and I'm here with Caroline. Hello.
Hello.
Now, me and Caroline, we have been working together for a few weeks, a couple of months, 3 months now. The aim of the project is basically to launch your coaching business, so building workshops and programs. Now, just to give a brief overview, what do you think about the program and what have you achieved in these couple of months that we've worked together?
Okay, so bit of background. I've actually been in business now for 6 years, and I've been a coach and a trainer, doing all sorts of lovely things. But in the past year, I've been trying to take my business into a different direction. I've actually engaged with other coaches and other programs before, which have got me a little way there. But I can honestly say, with hand on heart, that in the last 2 months I've been working with Suzanne, I have put aside all my procrastination, because she makes you put aside your procrastination. What she does is she energizes and then she enables you. So those are the two main things that I've got out of the program. So it's getting that sense of love, passion, and energy back for what I do. So that was the first thing, and the second thing is then helping me with the processes and the tools that I need in order to get my stuff out there, because at the end of the day I think I've got a really valuable service to offer. But I was the best kept secret, I think. So Suzanne's really helped me to get out there, and I've just published my first workshop advert, so that's out there.
And you've got a first subscriber as well.
I have got a first subscriber, so the momentum's starting. So for me, the biggest difference has been taking action and understanding what I need to do. And if you're stuck in a place where you feel you've got something valuable but you're not really sure how to get it out there, then have a chat with this woman, because she's amazing.
And the achievements that you've had over the last couple of months, and especially because you have been always very determined, especially over the last few years when you decided to start your business. And like you said, you have so much value to offer, but sometimes packaging and pricing our services, and especially coaching, you've now created your one-to-one program, an online program.
I have.
And just getting that clarity, actually, how to package ourselves in terms of what value we offer is it can be a really challenging thing to do, and confusing, because we don't always recognize our own values. So you've attended some branding workshops as well that we've delivered, and online marketing workshops.
The whole thing has been absolutely awesome, and I can't recommend it enough, actually.
Great.
So, it's that, you have all these ideas, don't you? And all these things that you want to do. Well, that's where I was anyway, but wasn't really sure how to do that. So, getting clear on the brand, getting clear on the offering, and getting clear on how to get that out to people.
Yes.
Has been invaluable.
Good. Fantastic. And it's so exciting what you've achieved. And obviously now it's all about acquiring more customers, using some of the processes we've created, and still in the process of creating. And this is the important thing, is we are very passionate about things, but the more we systemize those processes, the more people we can help as coaches. So it's very important that if you're really passionate and determined about your coaching business, is how can you take it to the next level so you can help even more people. So it's fantastic that you are also expanding and getting more customers, getting great testimonials, and showcasing all of this online is so important for your business development. So fantastic. Thank you, Caroline. I'm sure we'll be working together for a long time to come.
You're very unlucky.